So, hi my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have, and the topic of this video: fix emergency call only, no service, no SIM card problem on your iPhone. Okay, I show you maybe 2 or 3 effective methods to date how to fix this problem. Okay, now step number 1, or the first step, we go settings, and now I show you solution number 1, how to fix this problem. Okay, we go settings and click search, and now typing the text reset general. Yeah, we go reset, and now you see reset network settings. Click, and now enter your passcode, and your iPhone reset network settings completed. Yeah, now we go back, and now check if this method works for you, and please write in the comments work, not work. Okay, now we go mobile data. Yeah, and click turn off, and now turn on, click, and now we go settings, and now we go home, and now I show you way number 2, how to fix this your problem. Yeah, so how to clear the cache your iPhone. Now I show you: press and hold 2 button turn off and button volume down. Press and hold. Okay, now I show you slowly, you see, and repeat after me, because this is very important, guys. And now you see slide to power off, and now left to right, and your iPhone turn off, and this wave completed. Yeah, and check if this method works for you. So now I show you methods or solution number 3, how to fix this problem: how to soft reset with hardware your iPhone. Okay, I show you you look. So press the volume up, and then the volume down, and then the off button, and hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay, I show you. 1 second. Press and hold. Maybe 5 or 10 seconds, and now waiting, and now you see dark screen, and now you see Apple logo. Yeah, and completed, hold, not hold this button. Yeah, finish it. So now just a little more, hold on, your iPhone loading, and now check if this method works for you, guys. Yeah, and please write in the comments work, not work, its method. Yeah, so guys, now I showed you 3 effective methods today. Check if this method works for you. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone, and I'll shoot a video for you. It's not a problem. Please write in the comments model number of your iPhone, and I show you how to fix this problem your iPhone. Yeah, please click like and write in the comments whether yours got up or not, your like. Yeah, and ask your questions in the comments, and I will create a video answer. So thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, please. Bye.